Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can delete your Temu account very easily, right? By the way, you can follow the same instruction in your phone, but if you try to do it over your laptop or PC, it will become very easy. So first of all, you have to log in into your Temu. As you can see here, I've already logged in. Now here you have to go to this icon and then you have to go to this account security. Now once you are into the account security, in the bottom you have to scroll down and you will see this option of delete your Temu account. Click on it. Now here, as you can see here, how to delete your Temu account, which is the option which I'm going to show you. So here you have to click on I want to permanently delete my Temu account and then just click on continue. Now here they will ask you the reason. So I don't want to provide a reason. I will just click on continue. Now here you have to verify your identity, right? So once you verify your identity, automatically your account will get deleted. In your case, if you have already identified your verified your identity, then you don't need to just do it again. But it is just you have to just click on continue, enter your password, and then it's done. So it's really easy to delete your account on Temu. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.